to Chic Spaces. Today I'm very excited to showcase a stunning 3 BHK that we recently delivered at My Home Tridasa. This home is a perfect balance of warmth, elegance and personal touches, and that is why it is very special. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in.
As we step into the drawing room, we are greeted by a gorgeous accent wall with tropical detailing framed beautifully in the arches, instantly creating a statement. The showstopper here is definitely the TV unit. With its elegant marble back panel, tall display unit, ambient lighting and accent louvers, it exudes luxury and functionality all in one frame. Walking through this arched doorway, we enter the dining space, a warm, earthy haven with a rich wooden ceiling that ties the entire zone together. The crockery unit here is anything but conventional. A veneer and mirror back panel gives it a chic and contemporary edge, blending beautifully with the handcrafted wooden ceiling above. The highlight? The dramatic accent wall that plays with texture, metal trims and mirrors to bring in just the right amount of flair and sophistication. Now, step into a space of tranquility, the Puja room. With golden metal doors, fluted glass and symbolic elements like the Kamdhenu cow, bells, Om and swastik, this area instantly feels divine. Just beside, the Vanity makes a bold yet beautiful statement with teal artistic tiles and a smart mix of open and closed storage, practical and stylish. The kitchen is a refreshing treat in aqua shades. Functional, inviting and aesthetically balanced, it's a delightful space that makes everyday cooking feel special. Welcome to the master bedroom, a space curated for ultimate relaxation and artistic expression. The highlight here is the sliding wardrobe with a hand-painted shutter mural that makes it deeply personal. The bed back wall is crafted with elegant louvered and custom artwork that extends seamlessly into the blinds. And the dresser corner? It's absolutely charming with its layered mirror design and soft lighting. Perfect for starting the day on a beautiful note. This one is a total heart stealer. The kids' bedroom is a dreamland crafted for a little bundle of joy. The custom bed is set against a playful wall with fabric paneling, louvers and a handcrafted name letters. Look up and the ceiling steals your heart with clouds, rainbows and a joyful burst of colors. The study area is perfectly detailed with butterfly knob and a unique wood metal display unit, adding both function and whimsy. And finally, the guest bedroom, calm, minimal and effortlessly elegant. The soothing concrete textured wall sets a peaceful tone, while the full-length dresser and display unit make the space truly complete.
This home has been truly a labor of love. Every detail of this space is handpicked to make it as functional as it is soulful. My favorite part of this house is definitely the kids' room with its tiny details of those letters on the wall, the PVD study unit and so much more. What is yours? Do let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space. Thank you.